This MAXLAPTER Binocular Microscope Kit offers a wide range of magnification from basic classroom viewing to more detailed hobby or lab work, making it genuinely useful for both children and adults learning biology together. The combination of multiple objective lenses and wide-field eyepieces delivers clear, bright images that make tiny structures like cells and tissue details much easier to distinguish than with a typical toy microscope. Independent upper and lower light sources with adjustable brightness give you good control over illumination, so both transparent slides and opaque specimens can be viewed comfortably in different environments, including away from a wall outlet. The inclusion of both coarse and fine focusing knobs along with a mechanical stage allows for precise focusing and smooth slide movement, which is especially helpful when tracking moving organisms or scanning across a specimen systematically. Its rotating binocular head, angled eyepieces, and adjustable interpupillary distance provide a comfortable viewing position for users with different face shapes and ages, encouraging longer and more relaxed study sessions. The kit comes with prepared and blank slides plus a phone adapter, so users can start exploring immediately and easily capture or share their observations for projects, reports, or simple curiosity.